Special Counsel, DOJ deliberated seeking subpoena for Trump. The Special Counsel's office deliberated at length with Justice Department officials about issuing a subpoena for President Donald Trump to be interviewed, but ultimately the decision was made not to move forward with such a significant investigative step, according to a source familiar with the matter. For months, Robert Mueller's team had requested a sit-down interview with Trump, but the president's lawyers refused to commit and negotiations continued. Eventually, the source said the sensitive discussions between Justice Department officials and the special counsel team, and the determination that a subpoena would not be pursued, were based on the perception of the evidence and merits of the issues separate and apart from the fact that current department policy dictates that a sitting president cannot be indicted. While not directly addressing the issue of a presidential interview, Attorney General William Barr's letter to Congress on Sunday offers a further glimpse into how officials at the department didn't believe they had a prosecutable case against Trump on collusion or on the question of obstruction of justice. In the Special Counsel's office and the Justice Department declined to comment on internal discussions of a subpoena. In the end, the decision to not make a formal request for a subpoena was critical, because that demand, should it have been rejected, would have been communicated by the Attorney General to Congress, as the Special Counsel regulations mandate. Instead,
Raindrop, drop top, smoking, no cooking the hot pot. Fucking on your bitch, yeah, that. Looking up, open the park pot.